Hello, hello, hello! Hey guys, what's up? It's me Malika and welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video I'm gonna share with you guys how you guys can achieve the clean makeup look which is on trend right now. Personally, I love no makeup look, and in fact I am more towards the skincare person, so I don't do makeup that much. If you're like me or thoda like me, you guys gonna love this look because it contains a lot of skincare and skin prepping. So yes, here we go. Keep watching. So the very first step, I'm gonna double cleanse my face with vitamin C micellar water by Garnier. Just taking a little bit. Also, this vitamin C micellar water doesn't make your skin dry. In fact, I feel more plumpy, more hydrated after using this micellar. So coming to the next step, which is aloe vera gel, and this aloe vera gel is one of my favorites after the Patanjali one, and I don't use that Patanjali one anymore after using this one. I think it's much better than that one. And also, as you guys can see, I have two guests over my cheeks, like sitting down and relaxing on my cheeks. It's just a matter of 4-5 days more and I really don't want to hide them. So yes, let's apply this. Just taking a little bit, okay? Very light fingers, just apply onto your face. Now coming to the next step, and for this step I'm gonna introduce you to something special, and this is it. These are the facial razors for women by Sanfe, and which is one of the best brands for the skincare and the skin solutions. And I just loved their razors. They were so gentle on my skin. I just loved it. So you get these three pretty colors in the pack, and these are really pretty: pink, yellow and blue. Really pastelish colors, and I love them. Well, it's getting really hard for me to select one of them. I'll go with yellow today. So yes. Also, the facial razors are not that much scary how it looks like, so just concentrate where you are using it and what is the position exactly. Well, this is really amazing facial razor. You can use it for your sideburns, chin and upper lips, even the eyebrows and forehead. Now concentrate on the holding technique. Hold the razor, just tilt it, bring closer to your skin, and you have to just remove it like this. Easy peasy. That's it. Let's do this. That's it guys, easy peasy, and it's done. You guys can carry this anywhere you want, just throw it in your bag. That's it. So the next step is really optional. If you are heading out in the daytime, you can use a sunblock, and I use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock, which you guys love it, I know, and I love it too, but only for the daytime if I'm heading out in the sun. Otherwise, I do not add sunblock to my daily routine. Also, you can use anyone you like. Well, skipping it today because I'm not heading out anywhere, so I'm gonna skip this and going straight ahead with the moisturizer, which is the next step and essential. Warm it up and apply. Again, just like aloe vera gel, just dabbing on your skin and giving a little massage. Also apply the moisturizer on your neck, never forget it. Now at this point, either you can use the concealers, foundations, BB creams and whatnot. Me being me, skipping them all and coming to the next step, which is contouring and powdering my face, which is kind of sorted thing. Just apply moisturizer, aloe vera gel and just powder your face. That's it. Well, this is my favorite and go-to contour palette. This is by Wet n Wild, which is in the shade Caramel Toffee. Well, this is really multitasking, which you guys gonna see right at this moment. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna powder my face with a banana powder and just set my face. Take a little bit, dust off extra and apply really gently on your face. The same brush on your neck. Now I'm gonna use this contour shade to contour my face and give a shape to my face. Not too much, but a little bit. Well, that's it for the contour. It's just a basic contour. Now coming to the eyeshadow, you can use this eyeshadow palette, and I love to use the browns and the nude shades to contour my eye. But today I'm not gonna use this because I'm gonna show you how this palette is multitasking for me. I'm gonna take a little bit of this contour powder and I'm gonna use it as a transition shade for my eyes. And you guys need a handy mirror. Now I'm gonna apply the mascara. This is really great if you love the natural lift for your eyelashes, and I'm gonna use this today. Also look at its packaging, really good. And with the mascaras, you guys trust me, you can never go overboard. Jitna pasand hai, utna mascara lagao. Also, I'm not gonna apply the mascara on my lower lashes, so I'm gonna skip that. So for the next step, I'm gonna use the Iba Halal Cosmetics Sheer Peach Lip Balm, which is just not a lip balm, but it also works as a lip and cheek tint. So what are you waiting for? Let's apply this. Look at the shade, guys. This is so beautiful peach shade, and I just love the shade. Now using the same finger, I'm gonna apply it as a blush. The same product left on your finger is enough. And a little bit on the nose. That's it. I don't know how many times I have said that's it, but yes, that's it. Well, this is the close-up and exact look of the clean makeup look with just a mascara, lip balm, moisturizer and aloe vera gel. Well, this is my kind of clean makeup look. I hope you guys will give it a try because it is sustainable makeup, clean, and you guys gonna rock it. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys loved and enjoyed this video. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next with more fun and more videos. Till then, toodles!